Alright guys, so we're back. Welcome to the Gamer Hammer, and now we are going to be playing helicopter thingy. That sounded wrong. Alright, and so let's get to it. Prepare to take off. Alright, let's get to take off. Oh crap. Holy crap, that's a lot to do. I got a helicopter improves basic controls, flying practice, landing, and transporting troops. Now remember you have to go this way onto the left to actually activate it. There we go. Let's do this. Oh, this is the furnace. Yeah, we get it. Blah, blah, blah. Okay. Alright, guys, so let's do this. I think you have to, like, hold down Q to launch it up. Yep, I was right. Here we go. Oh my god, I hope we don't die. I'm too scared. I'm really getting scared right now. Oh god. Oh my god. Okay. Yeah, it's one rotate. Oh, this isn't that bad. Try to use those controls. Still isn't that bad. Just that I need to freaking go up more. Oh! I thought freaking was that. Sorry. There we go. That should be good. Be a lot safer this way. Pretty good pilot. Yeah. Oh, jollies. I go up way more. Okay, a little bit too up. Okay. Oh, why? I love auto hover. Alright. Whatever. Get up. Holy mollies. That's why I love auto hover right there, guys. Oh crap! Kill, 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 kill! I love Q. I love you, Q. It's. Oh my god, Q, 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 Q! It's. Z, 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 Z. Oh, I love you. I love you. Oh my god, I hate you. I hate you. Oh. Mmm. Come on. Make it through. Now guess what? Cheat! That, my friends, is how you cheat. Sounds like I'm fucking like getting rockets after me. Pew, pew, pew. Great freaking music for the ending of the video right here. I love you, Auto. Now, if you ask me, jets, I've already done a tutorial on jets. Oh my god, you will want to say that I am the suckiest with hovering and trying to fly them. You will just say I am the suckiest of all. Oh no. Let's see if we get to this last checkpoint before the video ends. Yeah. Come on! Got a little bit of time left, only like freaking 2 more minutes. Ooh, okay, let's go. Oh, what a beautiful palace here. It's so beautiful. Yes! Alright guys, well this video is about to end. Make sure to comment, rate, and subscribe guys. I'll see you guys later. And yeah, I got 5 seconds left. See you guys later. Watch part 2 of this. Bye.